In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Citizens Bank debit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you receive your debit card from Citizens Bank, you should activate it through the mobile app. So in order to do this, go over to the mobile app. You might also be able to get this done by calling them, but I believe this is going to be the most convenient option. So once you open the mobile app and sign into your account, tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Under the Citizens Bank menu, go to Manage Cards. So you will find the option here to manage and consequently activate any cards that you have attributed to your account. Upon tapping on Manage Cards, select between credit or debit cards. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be showing off debit cards, but the same process can be done with any credit cards that have been issued. If you tap on debit cards, you will see a list of all the debit cards that you own here, so you can go to the left and the right. And once you find a specific one, you can double check the details, so the numbers that the card ends on, the expiration date, the name on the card, and now choose Activate Card. Upon selecting this, a pop-up will appear. Please make sure that you have the card before activating it, and now you can proceed by tapping Activate. It is simple to do, and this option will be available on the latest version of the Citizens Bank app. So all that you need are your credentials to sign into the app. After this is done, you will also see options to replace the card if it is damaged, lost, or stolen, or if you have never received the card. Remember to only activate the card after you have it in your hands. This will ensure that the process goes smoothly and that you can prove that you have ownership of the card and use it properly. Double check the details at the top. Make sure that everything matches, like the expiration date, last 4 digits, and the name, and you will be good to go to activate it. So I hope I was able to help you on activating your Citizens Bank debit card. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality content. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.